spot is India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri. Vikram Misri is a name that has worked with three Prime Ministers of India. He has also worked with Pranab Mukherjee, who was the President of India. His job is to handle foreign affairs and he is especially praised for his image. Vikram Misri is an officer of the year 1989 batch. He has taken charges as Foreign Secretary on 5th July 2024. He has served in many important positions in the Ministry of External Affairs. He has worked in different missions in Europe, Asia and North America. He has also served in Brussels, Tunis, Islamabad and Washington DC. He has also been India's Deputy High Commissioner in Sri Lanka and India's Consul General in Munich. He has served as India's Ambassador to Spain in 2014, India's Ambassador to Myanmar in 2016 and India's Ambassador to China in January 2019. He has worked in China till the year 2021. Vikram Misri was working as India's Deputy National Secretary Advisor on Strategic Affairs. He has served in this post from January 1, 2022 to June 2024. He has also worked on the Pakistan desk. He has also been a part of the team of two Foreign Ministers of India, Inder Kumar Gujral and Pranab Mukherjee. He has also served as Joint Secretary in the Prime Minister's office. Vikram Misri has also worked as the Private Secretary of three Prime Ministers of India, R.K. Gujral, Manmohan Singh and Narendra Modi. He has completed his schooling from Scindia School, Gwalior. He has graduated with honors in history from Hindu College, Delhi University. After this, Vikram Misri did his MBA from XLRI, Jamshedpur, and before joining the government, he has also